Alright, this is our final lesson to work with the blog, and this is all about security. So what we are learning today is crucial whenever you're going to have a website or any app that has something that needs to be restricted by a password. Okay, we'll learn all the main and most modern ways to keep your site secure in PHP. So first thing, we're going to start working on our database, and we need to add a new table with the following columns. So we need to have an ID, username, and password. So let's go to our database and do that. So we have the database blog, and I'm going to add a new table. So just add it here, users. It's asking for a number of columns. I can add 3 and run. When you do that, you can automatically enter your things here. You don't need to use the SQL. Of course, you can do it if you like. So first, I need to have an ID, and it is auto increment. It's also a primary key. Okay, you have it here. Also, then I need the username. So it's a varchar, and I wanted to have 20 characters. Password is going to be another varchar, but this one can be a little bit longer, and we're going to see why it needs to be that long a little bit later. Okay, and it's also it is for 255 characters. Okay, with that here, let's go to our UTF-8 and before Unicode and save our table. That's it. So now we have two tables, posts and users. You can check here that it is already auto increment and primary key. Next thing, we need to create a page to manage the users. So let's make this one just to add the new users to our database. So you don't need to go through SQL every time you want to do that. So we are going to create a file called useradmin.php, and it's similar to post, but this time it's going to be used to add new users to the database. So let's start creating the file. So PHP file, let's save it as user admin, and inside it we need form, method post, and action users PHP. Right. Inside this form, text input field with a label and a password input field for the password. As usual, let's put them inside a paragraph to keep it organized. Okay, this is an input type password. So the idea is that it shows those dots or stars instead of characters. It won't show the word you typed as our password. Right, after that you just need an input type submit. Good. Just editing here the title to get user admin, make it show correctly, and that's it. Our form is done. So now we're going to start adding the users to the database.